So, hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Janefrances Ezeonye, and if this is your first time tuning in, please subscribe to my channel. So today I'll be showing you how I made this beautiful butterfly locks. Watch till the end to see the entire process. So without further ado, let's jump into it. So I start off with a freshly washed, moisturized and a dried hair. So I won't really say it's stretched because I think it's only heat that stretches my hair. So I go ahead and comb through my hair to remove any knots or tangles for easy parting. So once I'm done, I go ahead and start parting my hair. You already know how I work with my hair in sections. I'll do that off camera and I'll come back to show you guys. So, and this is my hair, my parts all done, so you can see. So I'll be working with this spring twist hair. So I did go ahead and unravel it. I am going to separate it even further to give it the texture that I want. I mean, for this hair you really need this texture, a little bit of kinky texture. You don't want to have it all silky smooth. So I start off with the back section of my hair. So yeah.
Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days.
So now that I am completely done with the back section, I'm going to show you how to do this. So I passed crochet through my hair and I put the extension to the crochet like so and pass it through. So this is really easy to do. So when I do that, I actually make one side shorter and one side longer. Now the longer side at the side I'll be wrapping with, while the shorter side I'll grab it together with my hair like so, and then begin to wrap. So basically with this hairstyle, all you do is to just wrap around the shorter piece of hair together with your natural hair. So I start by wrapping it 2 to 3 times around the root just to secure it, and I also wrap it tightly until I cover my natural hair because I don't want it poking out. So I continue wrapping it tight until I cover the entire natural hair. I go on and then start wrapping it freely and loosely, while placing my thumb at intervals just to give it that butterfly look, if that makes sense, guys. Just watch the video. I hope you understand better with the visuals. So that is basically how to do it. You just keep going on and wrapping. You wrap tightly, you wrap loosely. You wrap tightly at intervals, you place your thumb. If you can't do the thumb method, I suggest you just wrap it loose at intervals. It will still give you that look. So when you get to the end, just turn it and then start wrapping upwards until like there is no hair left anymore. And that's basically it. When I'm done, I rub it through my palms and I drop it. Trust me guys, it's not going to unravel. It stays put. So yeah. So again, I pass the crochet through, unravel the extension even more for texture, put the extension to the crochet, and then pass it through my hair like so. Now I drag one side of the extension to make it longer and the other side shorter. I go ahead and apply a little more shine and jam, and then I grab the shorter part with my natural hair and begin to wrap. For the root, I like to wrap 2 to 3 times at the root really tightly to secure it, but not too tight, like to cause a lot of tension. And then I continue wrapping around my hair. So I also wrap it tight around my natural hair. So once I've covered my natural hair, I begin to place my thumb like so, and then remove it slowly to get that butterfly look, if that makes sense. Guys, just watch and see what I'm doing. I can't even explain what I'm doing here, but just watch. I guess you understand better when you watch. But then I think another method that you can use to achieve similar look is like once you're done wrapping tightly at the beginning, and then you can just begin to wrap loosely around your hair. It will still give it that non-uniform look, and still make it look distressed and like a butterfly. So that's basically it. So guys, I did go ahead to like add more extension because I felt like, oh, this one was not enough for me to like achieve the length that I was going for. So I added a little more extension and I continue wrapping in the same form that I've been doing. So once I measure it and feel like I've gotten to my desired length, I go ahead, you see, and turn it and start wrapping upwards. So I do this until no hair is left, until I wrap every single strand. So once I'm done, I rub it slightly in between my palm and I drop it. Look at that. So that's basically it, guys. There's nothing really difficult in this. So now that I am done with the entire hair, I go ahead to apply some oil to my scalp. This is my herbal hair growth oil. So it has some really nice cooling sensation to it. So it feels like a massage oil. I apply it generously through my hair and then go ahead to massage it into my scalp. So I did go ahead, and do my makeup, laid my edges, and this is the finished look, guys. And this is like 2 days after I made this hair. Like, I love the texture even more. It stopped shining a little bit, and it started getting kinkier. So guys, the older this hair gets, the more I love it. So these are different ways you can style your hair. I mean, there are tons of ways you can do that. So guys, subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, it really helps my channel. And till I come your way next time, stay blessed, stay fabulous. Bye.